Have you ever wondered what it would take to take a property and make it an Airbnb? My husband and I just did one, and we wanted to share a little bit of the details and the processes with you. So we bought this property because of the proximity to the hospital. The U of M Sparrow Hospital is just 1 block away, with the funeral home at the end of the street. Back in 2020, my mom died alone in a hospital in the Detroit area, and nobody could be with her. So as much as this was sentimental to me, the location of this duplex, I also did this because I wanted to help other people that wanted to be with their loved ones. So it's always smart to make a good investment right at the beginning. And initially, this building was $60,000, and we'll include a picture here to show what it looked like. But as you can see, there's been a total redo. So from top to bottom, from roof to gutters to furnaces to water heaters to structural to electrical to all the pretty stuff, we have added over $100,000 into this building.
We use a couple different channels for our to rent. One is Airbnb and another one is Furnished Finders. We found that Furnished Finders is working out pretty well, being that we're so close to the hospital. With the Furnished Finders, the nice thing about that is we find that those are typically anywhere from like a 3-month to a 6-month rental, being that it's more geared towards professionals that are looking to, such as traveling medical students or traveling nurses and so forth.
I'm not saying that it was all easy and a walk in the park. It did take some time and money. But for us, this is part of our long-term investment planning.
The advice would be to, first of all, be patient. When we first started this venture on Airbnb, you're expecting some results to happen right away, but they don't. They're going to be coming as you go along. So like right now, we have some openings in the summertime that need to be filled, but I'm not really too concerned about it because they do happen. Sometimes they happen right on the fly. So it's just a matter of you have to be patient, and another thing you want to make sure is you're very responsive, and you want to be an excellent host. There are some tax advantages to having an Airbnb because you can write off quite a bit. There's a lot of expenses that you can write off. And then at the same time, I've learned quite a bit in terms of capital expenses. There's a big difference between writing it off as a regular expense versus a capital expense. When you capitalize, it's spread over a 27.5-year lifespan. So that tells you that, okay, you got deductions coming for the next 25 years automatically.
My name is Mary Jo, and I am a licensed realtor in the state of Michigan. So whether it's up north that you'd be interested in a property, greater Lansing area is where I serve, but I can service the entire state of Michigan, and I'd be happy to help you. People can reach me on my personal cell phone at 517-881-3158.